Apparently. You ever notice, like, the thing that's supposed to make us feel good, dopamine, has the word dope in it? Like,
I mean, that's what
kind of doesn't add up to me.
Well,
The more you know.
There you go.
That's where it all came from.
All right,
the very beginning.
Let's talk weather. These numbers, not that impressive, actually. Made it to 40 today, a little bit below where we should be is 42. Records on the date 66, on the high end 1 below zero. That was way back in 1883. Don't remember that one. In terms of average high temperatures, 40.4 so far for the month. We're still almost 5 degrees below that. We've had a few days this month, finally, that are above average. And again, we're going to slip back below, I think, as we get towards the end of the week and the weekend. In terms of snow, all we needed was 0.2 of an inch today in Central Park to get back on target for the month. Didn't happen. Had a little bit of snow that went over to rain. North and west is where we saw the accumulating snow, and everything is winding down now. The rain and/or the snow is pushed away. There's a little drizzle in spots, maybe a little snizzle too up towards the north. That's going to be about it. Temps stay above the freezing mark, though. Notice overnight, most folks mid to upper 30s. It gets close to freezing, though. White Plains and a little below north and west, and in these areas, more prone tomorrow morning to have some icy spots out there. So be aware of that as a possibility. Our Christmas Eve day, not bad. Temps generally low 40s to mid 40s with sunshine. The main weather element tomorrow is going to be the wind. It's going to be kicking, especially the first half of the day, gusting over 35 miles per hour, maybe near 40 miles per hour in parts of the area. Look at that. Christmas Eve numbers. I remember this. It was only 10 years ago. It was 72 degrees on Christmas Eve, followed by a 66-degree warmest Christmas the very next day, 6 back in 1983. And then you see the rainiest and the snowiest Christmas Eves. No rain, no snow for Christmas Eve, and no extreme temps either. We're going to dry it on out tomorrow. The wind will get lighter by Christmas Eve tomorrow night. Christmas Day itself, sun and clouds. Could be a brief sprinkle in some spots, especially early on in the day. No big thing consequentially in terms of the weather through Christmas night. Into Friday we go, and that's when things start to get a little dicey. During the day, it's quiet. Low pressure pulling out of the Midwest. Now, right now, it will look like, hey, doesn't the warm air win out? We've got cold high pressure to the north that's going to force the storm to the south. When we're on the north side of a storm track, that usually means we could get some accumulating snow. This particular model suggesting close to 5. Right now, we're thinking a 2 to 4 broad brush with it. Again, storm shifts north or south, those numbers will change. But Friday, especially Friday night into Saturday, if that's when you have your travel plans, you may want to think about changing them. Dry Christmas Eve and Christmas Day looking good. Gets stormy late Friday to Saturday. Another round of rain comes Sunday with temperatures in the low 40s.